Look, this might feel illegal, but it's made me thousands of dollars a day in profit, and the best part is, it's completely legal, and pretty much anybody can replicate this system. I'm not sitting here with a fake Rolex or some rented Lambo trying to flex on you. I don't need to do that because what I'm sharing actually works and the results speak for themselves. But here's the thing, there's always going to be someone in the comments screaming scam or this is BS, and you know what? That mindset right there is exactly why they're broke. They see an opportunity and their first instinct is to tear it down instead of actually learning from it. Don't be that person. My name's Fred, and I've made thousands of dollars a day in profit selling high-ticket consulting. In fact, I had my first $1,000 day in profit at 21 and my first $2,600 day at 22. And that is cash collected, by the way, not even revenue. Revenue is at least double. Look, the truth is, making money online comes down to one simple thing: creating free content and giving away massive value without expecting anything back immediately. That's it. You put out videos, posts, and you just give people real, actionable stuff they can use. Now, here is where people get confused. They think if they give away all the information for free, nobody's gonna pay them. Wrong, because information isn't actually what people need or buy. What they really need and what they purchase is implementation. A guide. They need the steps laid out in front of them. They need someone to hold their hand through the process. They need a mentor. Or they need someone to do it for them, or show them exactly how to avoid the mistakes that will waste months or even years of their life. That's what people pay for. I give everything away for free publicly, but people pay me for speed, clarity, for a roadmap that actually gets them unstuck and moving forward fast. Let me tell you why most people never make a single dollar online. They try to figure everything out alone. They think they can just watch a bunch of YouTube videos, piece it all together, and boom, they're gonna be rich. But what actually happens is they spend months, more often years, spinning their wheels on problems they don't even know they're creating. I did the exact same thing. I was stuck for almost a full year, making the same mistakes over and over again, and I had no fucking clue. Then I got one call with a mentor who pointed out what I did wrong in like half an hour, and everything changed. My income didn't just go up a little, it increased by more than 24,000%. No kidding. That is when I truly understood the value of investing in myself and getting help from someone who's already where you want to be. The truth is that if you already knew how to make $10,000 a month, you would have done it by now. If you're not there yet, the smartest thing you can do is be willing to swallow your pride and seek help from the people who've done this before. People who've gotten results and can show you how. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. When I was broke a few years back, every single dollar I spent felt terrifying. I was so scared to invest in anything because I didn't have much money to begin with. But here's what I learned as I started actually making money. Taking calculated risks and reinvesting thousands of dollars back into my business consistently made me a lot more money. Every time I played small and tried to stay safe, I stayed stuck. Every time I took a big risk, I invested in myself, I won big. That's just how it works. You can't grow and make more money without putting skin in the game. And here's something that's embarrassing to admit. Back in 2021, 2022, I actually procrastinated for 7 entire months before I started my business seriously. 7 months. And it wasn't because I wasn't capable or because I didn't know what to do. I was just scared. I was terrified to put myself out there and make content. I was scared to reach out to potential clients. I was scared to fail and look stupid in front of people. Fear is one of the biggest killers of entrepreneurial potential, and most people never overcome it. You know how I got past it? I forced myself to do one scary thing every single day until fear stopped controlling me. I made that first video even though I sounded like an idiot. I sent that first cold message even though I thought they'd laugh at me. And guess what? Nothing bad happened. The fear was all in my head. So that's reason number 1 people fail. Fear. But here's reason number 2, and this one is just as important. You're missing a key piece of knowledge. Maybe you hit a plateau in your income. Maybe you're in a dry spell where nothing's working. Maybe you're just confused on what to do next. That is completely normal. But without someone who knows what they're doing to point out what's wrong or what you're missing, you can stay stuck in the same spot for years. Again, I'm not exaggerating when I say that one single call with a mentor completely changed my entire business. It exploded my income in one call, in 1 hour. That's why surrounding yourself with people who are more experienced than you is non-negotiable. You need people who can see the blind spots you can't see. Now, here's the third reason people fail. And honestly, this might be the most frustrating one. They focus on the wrong things. Look, you can work your face off, hustle 24 hours a day, grind until you burn out. But if you're following the wrong strategy, all of that effort is completely wasted. Most beginners chase shiny objects. They see someone talking about some new trend or some new platform and they jump on it without mastering the fundamentals first. But here's the truth. The fundamentals are boring and the fundamentals are what actually move the needle. Traffic, calls, clients, that's it. Everything else is just noise. Let me break down the business model as clearly as I possibly can because this is the part people overcomplicate when in reality it's dead simple. It's 3 steps. Traffic leads to calls, as in sales calls leads to money. You need eyeballs on your content. You need conversations with people who are interested in getting the home they need. And you need an offer that solves a problem they're willing to pay for. Now, when it comes to traffic, you've got 2 options, organic or paid ads. Organic is free content, like YouTube videos, Instagram posts, TikToks, etc. Paid ads is when you literally pay Facebook or Google to show your stuff to people. Here's my advice for beginners. Stick with organic at first. Why? Because paid ads cost a lot of money, at least thousands of dollars a month consistently, and they will kill your profit margin, especially if your offer isn't high ticket. You need to sell something high ticket unless you want to have fun in hell. Like, come on, sell high ticket. So starting with ads is quite expensive for the average beginner with a 9 to 5. And that brings me to the most important part of this entire video, high ticket offers. This is the fastest and most realistic way to hit big income goals. When you're charging $1,000 to $10,000 per client, the entire business becomes simpler, more profitable, and way more enjoyable. Think about it. To make $10,000 a month, you only need like 1 to 10 clients depending on your price point. Compare that to selling $50 products where you need 200 sales just to hit the same number, and your profit margins are trash because of all the costs involved. High-ticket clients also take the process seriously. They're committed, they show up, they respect the work you're doing because they paid real money for it. I've noticed that people who pay the least always complain the most. They will buy a $10 ebook and then harass your customer support because they didn't like the font you used. Like, what the fuck? If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. Now, let's talk about the psychology of pricing, because this is something most people completely misunderstand. People naturally perceive expensive things as higher quality. That's just how our brain works. You don't want to pay more for something that's lower quality. So when you charge high ticket prices, your audience automatically views your offer as premium. They assume you're the best at what you do because you have the confidence to charge what you're worth. And here's the kicker. Because you're solving a genuinely painful problem for them, you can absolutely justify charging more. It's the same reason a brain surgeon makes way more money than someone working an entry-level job. The value of the problem you're solving determines what you can charge. Here's the thing you need to understand about this entire business model. It works because it follows basic human psychology and basic supply and demand. People pay big money to solve painful problems. The bigger the pain, the more they're willing to pay to make it go away. Your job is simply to position yourself as the person who can guide them through solving that problem step by step. You're not scamming anyone. You're not tricking anyone. You're genuinely helping people get results they couldn't get on their own. And you're getting paid really well for it. That's why it feels illegal. But once you understand the formula, it's so stupidly simple and repeatable that it almost doesn't make sense. Create free content, build an audience, run ads, get people on calls, sell them a high-ticket offer that solves their problem, deliver results, repeat, that's it. Just straightforward value exchange. So if you're sitting here watching this and you're thinking about starting, stop waiting, stop overthinking. You can't let fear control you if you want to be rich. The biggest mistake you can make is staying stuck in analysis paralysis for another 6 months while someone else who's less talented than you actually takes action and win. Get a mentor, invest in yourself, focus on the boring fundamentals, build the skill of creating content and having sales conversations. Charge what the problem is worth solving for your niche, at least $1,000 all the way to 10 grand and more. And watch how fast you start printing cash when you actually commit to building a high-ticket consulting business. I've made a free training for you where I'm revealing how I've made thousands of dollars a day in profit with my online business. I'm going to share the 3 keys you need to make this happen. The link is in the description below. You can also apply to book a call with me or a member of my team, and we're going to give you a custom step-by-step game plan so you can get your first customers as quickly as possible, even with limited time and money. Now be quick, the spots for that fill up very fast. With that being said, I will see you on the other side.